So in this video we are going to discuss area of special right angles, that is 30 60 90 right angle and 45 45 90 and right triangle. The first diagram shows a triangle ABC, which is 30 60 90 triangle, as you can see in the diagram. Now what is the area of triangle? As we have learned before, area of triangle is half times base times height. Now in this particular diagram, base is BC and height is AC. So half times BC times AC. Now BC is equal to A and AC is equal to B, as you can see. So area will be half times AB, or in short you can say half times product of two lines that make 90-degree angle. So two lines AC and BC make an angle of 90 degree. So half times product of AC and BC, that is A times B. This will give you the area of 30 60 90 triangle. Let us solve a question to understand it better. Now as you can see we have a triangle ABC here. So area of triangle ABC we are required to find. So first of all we have to check, is it 30 60 90 triangle? So yes, this is 60, this is 90, so this has to be 30. So this is a 30 60 90 triangle. Now as we learned before, we have to find V, and this BC is already given 5√3. So what is the area formula for area? Area is half times product of two sides that form 90 degree. So product of Y times 5√3, because these two sides AB and BC form an angle of 90 degree. So we have to multiply these two sides. That is area equal to this much. Now here we know everything except Y. So we are required to find Y now. So how to find Y? Let us again come to triangle ABC. Opposite 30 degree we have side, sorry, this is actually V, not Y. So let me write here V, and this is U. So opposite 30 degree we have side AB or V. Opposite 60 degree we have 5√3, that is BC, and opposite 90 degree we have U. In order to find the area we just require V, we don't require U. So how to find the area now? Now we know that in 30 60 90 triangle the ratios of the sides are 1, 2 and √3. So √3 corresponds to 5√3. So as we discussed previously, √3 and 5√3 is here. Now here it is 2 and here it is 1. So this is 5 times. 5 times √3 is 5√3. So 2 times 5 will give you 10, which is U, and 1 times 5 will give you 5, which is V. This is V and this is U. we are required here to find V. So our value of V now is 1 by 2 times 5 times 5 root 3, which finally gives us 25 root 3 by 2, and that is our answer. Now we are going to discuss about 45, 45, 90 triangle and how to find its area. So in 45, 45, 90 triangle, the ratio of the sides, as we discussed earlier, is 1:1 is to root 2. Now opposite 45 degree, the side is AB. Similarly, opposite this 45 degree, the side is BC, and opposite 90 degree, the side is AC. AB here is height, BC here is base, and AC is hypotenuse. The formula for area, as we know, is half times base times height. Half and base is BC, so we can write here BC, and height is AB. Now in these triangles, base and height will always be equal, so half times, because this is an isosceles triangle, so base and height will always be equal. So base is BC and height is AB, and we can write it as half of product of sides forming 90 degrees. Now the two sides will be, as I told already, they will be equal in length. So let us discuss an example and see how we solve it to find the area. Now here we have a triangle ABC. This is C. Let me call it A, and this B. So this is going to be A, this is B, and this is C, which is our hypotenuse. So area of the triangle formula is half A times base times height, half times base times height. So what is the area? So area is going to be half, and what is base here? Base here is BC. And what is height? Height is AC. Now we will find the length of BC and AC, then only we can find the area. So in 45, 45, 90 triangle, the ratio of sides are 1, 1, root 2, and opposite 90 degree, the side is 7 root 2. So this is 7 times. 7 times root 2 is 7 root 2. So 1 times 7 will be 7, and here also 1 times 7 will be 7. So values of A and B will be 7 and 7. Now as I mentioned before, these two values, that is the two sides that make an angle of 90 degree, will be equal. So in this case we are getting 7 and 7. So in 45, 45, 90 triangle, the sides forming 90 degree are equal in length because the triangle is isosceles triangle. The two sides are equal. So here half times BC is equal to 7 and AC is equal to 7. Now I would like to explain once again. Opposite 45, the side is AC, and opposite this 45, the side is BC, and I have mentioned here A and B, so I will write B, AC is B and BC is A. But actually when you solve the question, you find them both equal. So the formula, if I generalize it, is equal to half times square of side forming 90 degree. Square of side forming 90 degree means 1 by 2, and side is forming 90 degree is square of sides forming 90 degree. So just take one side and square it because both are same, so you can square them. So answer becomes 7 times 7, 49 by 2, and that is your answer. Hope my explanation was clear, but if there is any doubt, again we will discuss